Gorgeous.
Hi, Chris.
Chris, you okay?
Yeah.
Come to watch your training? What's your name?
Gwen.
Where are you from?
Talbot.
Talbot, are you? Alright, yeah. Who's your favourite player?
Joe Ledley.
Joe Ledley. Oh yeah. Enjoy my love.
I
Favourite player?
Look at the shoes. Oh.
Oh, do me a honest. Take a win then. Yeah. That's really good. Will I do it then? See you later.
Bye.
Ta-da. How are you?
Good.
You okay?
Look at the two old boys.
Yes.
Hello.
Shall I come on?
I do.
Do you enjoy that?
I do.
I am.
Don't be picture taking you up, right?
Take it up. See you later. How are you? What's your name?
Gwen.
Gwen, nice to meet you.
You getting involved?
Oh, nice.
A wobbler. Have we got the same boots on? Same boots.
What team do you play for?
Back then. Sometimes striker and midfielder.
Score goals.
Sometimes.
Ask him how many goals he's got for Wales.
And he's
I'm 2 away from the record.
Enjoy that?
yeah. If you went to footballer, what other job would you do?
I'd probably be struggling. I'd say probably something to do with sport in some capacity, but I honestly don't know, so you've got me.
Good. What are the questions? See if I can read your handwriting. What's your favourite book?
I think it'd be The Worst Witch.
Where would you like to go in the world?
On Disney Cruises, which I have.
Come on, think of one you haven't done.
I've been to Australia.
So you're well travelled then. Antarctica, maybe is the one left to do. I want to see the Great Wall of China. I can climb a mountain, go see the River Nile. Loads of different stuff. So yeah, there's loads I'd like to do.
Do you buy any presents for your family? If you do, what are they?
Whenever I was away, I thought I'll bring my daughter something back. But now I've got 3 kids. It's quite difficult. What's your best experience?
It's today.
Is it? I'm well happy with that, thank you.